Hi friends, I just did this workout and I am sweating. I bet you are going to sweat too. You will love it. It's a beginner's workout. It's low impact. You don't need any equipment. We're not getting on the floor, so you don't need a mat. You will need some water and a towel because you are going to sweat. I am Coach Tiffany Hart and welcome to my beginner's walking workout. This actually is how I lost 80 pounds doing walking workouts. So I'm putting these on the internet for you so you can do them too. If you are on a weight loss journey like me, this is something that can help you lose some weight, burn some calories, and add some extra steps into your day. Remember, if you find this video helpful, please remember to like it, share it, and subscribe. That way you're one of the first to get notified every time I put out a new video. This video, let me tell you how I set it up. I set it up to where I'm not talking through the video. So that way you can listen to my music, or if you want to play your own music with it, or you can even do my favorite thing, stream your favorite TV show or video, like your TV show, your movies, any of that stuff while you're walking in place. That way you are like burning calories while you're watching something you like instead of just like eating popcorn, because that's like old habits, what I used to do. So this is something that can really help get you to your goals, put those extra steps in your day. When you're doing the workout, I want you to focus on your breathing. You should be breathing and like in conversation through the whole workout. If at any time you find that you get way too out of breath, all you have to do is walk in place. You're still working out with me. You're still burning calories. You're still getting your steps in. If you find that it's just not enough for you and you need to fire it up, all you have to do is when I'm walking in place, you jog in place. It's set up to where we're going to do 40 seconds of the move and 20 seconds of walking in place. So we'll do that on and off through the whole video. This is something that I think you're going to love it. And when you get to the end, I want to know, how many steps did you get in? Type them in the comments below. All right, enjoy this workout. Great job. You did it. You made it to the end of the workout. Remember, if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're tracking your steps, I would love to know how many steps did you get in with this workout? Put it in the comments below. See you in the next workout.